To change the battery on your lightsaber, start by unscrewing the pommel cap. Then, grab the battery compartment and give it a eighth of a twist counterclockwise. It'll slide right out. Then, unscrew the cover of the compartment and slide it off. That'll expose the 3 standard AAA batteries you can then replace with fresh ones. Reassembly is just the reverse of disassembly. Slide it back together and screw it back into position. When reinserting, you're going to line up the red arrow on the inside of the hilt with the corresponding arrow on the battery compartment. Once inserted, give it a twist clockwise to lock it into place.
Voila. Special thanks to my helper, Brian. Say hi.
I used a Phillips PH1 bit. I would recommend using an individual screwdriver, not a multi-bit screwdriver.